the 32nd International Processing and Packaging Exhibition for Asia, aka ProPack Asia, is to hold on 11th to 14th June 2025. The venue is BITEC, Bangkok, Thailand. If your company has scheduled to attend ProPack Asia 2025, you can contact us for the stand design and construction. Welcome to attend ProPack Asia 2025. Welcome to visit Bangkok.